Hey guys, so I wanted to come to you and make this quick video, right, about business and about all the ideas that you may have. The first thing I want to share with you is that you probably have enough experience right now to start a business. A lot of times people think, well, maybe I need to go back to school, maybe I need to get another degree or certification. And to start your business, you probably do not. You probably have enough experience of life experience, work experience to put your business together to at least get it off the ground and get started. The other thing is you may have a bunch of ideas, right? You're like, oh, I could do this. Oh, I like this. Oh, I'm passionate about this. That's all okay. There is a way to systematically put that together so that you feel like you have one cohesive business and you package it in such a way where it is one complete business. You don't have to feel like, oh my gosh, I've got this skill over here and that skill over here, and I've got to start two different businesses. There may be a way that you can put them together, or you start with one and then you go to the next one. As the first one builds itself up, it has a solid foundation, then you can always add on. But I'd love to have a conversation with you about that. And because I know, clarifying your passion sometimes is challenging for people. They don't know how to do that, or they'd love another set of ears just to listen for them to bounce ideas off of. We're doing a passion clarity workshop. And that workshop is going to happen on November the 3rd at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you guys are interested, by all means, definitely click the link below so that you can attend this workshop, because we're going to talk about that. Not only am I going to give you some ways of narrowing down what you want to do, what your passion is, where you should start with your business, but there's also going to be time for Q&A and live coaching. So if you have an idea and you have a bunch of ideas and you'd like me to go over it with you and kind of coach you through it, you can do that on that session. So we're going to offer that, and it's totally free, like I said, on Tuesday, November the 3rd at 4 p.m. Eastern. So you definitely want to check that out. If you're having problems kind of clarifying your passion, trying to figure out where to start, even trying to put it in a package, right? How do I put all my skills and talents and the things that I love in one consistent, concise package? We'll definitely bring those ideas to the table when we talk on the 4th. And I'm also going to share with you guys what I call the 3 pieces to creating a business that you absolutely love, that's your joy and not another job. Because a lot of times people get caught up and they're like, oh, I want to create a business. And they create all these things, or they follow systems that don't really flow with who they are, right? We want to make sure that you're not doing that, because you're leaving your job because it's not satisfying. The last thing we want to do is have you create another job for yourself. So like I said, if you guys are interested, definitely come to the workshop on passion clarity. But here's one tip I'd like to leave you with. Write out all your skills, all your talents on one piece of paper, and see if there's something that overlaps for you. See if there's something like, oh, I could put this with this. Once you have it on paper, sometimes it's easier to visualize and to see if there's some connection or combination of things that you can do. All right, so I hope to see you guys on the 3rd. Bye for now.